Hello everyone and welcome back to the plot. I've not been able to get up to the plot for a couple of weeks now because I've been suffering with a bad back. I've got a little touch of sciatica that's causing me a few problems, but I'm up today and the plan is to harvest quite a few of the tomatoes because quite a few of the tomatoes are ready now. So we're going to have a look at the tomatoes. We're going to do a potato review. We'll take some potatoes out, and I'm going to take some carrots, some beetroots, some things like that that are ready, take them out. So let's go and have a look at the tomatoes and I'll show you what's been going on. Well, this is the state of the greenhouse. It's like a jungle in there, but as you can see we've got lots of tomatoes. That one's splitting. I don't know whether you can see that. But there is a lot, and we've got some of the Brads Atomic Grape are looking really healthy now. This is the colour they should go when they're ripe. So yeah, first job of the day, well after we get the kettle on and get a coffee, is tackle these. We've got plenty of other things going on in the garden as well. We've got, the bees are still loving the sunflowers, which is great because we all know how important the bees are. The orca is doing really well. Not quite sure when this is ready, but not quite sure whether we'll actually have anything from this, but the plant's doing well anyway. Sweet peas, still got a few hanging on there, looking quite nice. Squashes, now we've had a bumper year for squashes. And I don't know why my camera's done that. Okay, as you can see from my shadow, the sun has come out. It's quite a nice day here in Exeter, but we have got a rather nice butternut squash there. Some of the plants look like they're dying. As you can see, but we have still got a few more. We've got that butternut squash. And if we come down the plant, we've got a little squash there that might turn into something. But we've got another beauty of a squash down here. So this is about the 5th one we've had off this plant. It's been really, really good. That's the potatoes over there. They're starting to die back. So we're going to pick a couple of tubs out and we'll see if we can do a potato review. The raspberries have all died back now. Yeah, they were good. Didn't pick as many as I should have, but they were good. Blueberries, there's a few actually on that plant. I might take them off. And we've got some more tomatoes down here that need pick. I can see from here some of the red ones are splitting. I don't know whether that's because of the rain, they've just taken up too much moisture in the rain. But we've got some more Brads Atomic Grape, which will be coming home. And to be honest, with the temperatures now dipping down into single digits, I think I'll be taking all of the tomatoes and just letting them ripen at home. So that's the plan for today. The leeks are beginning to grow, which is good, so are the weeds. That'll need to be tackled later when my back's feeling a little bit better. I did put a line of beetroot in here, but I can only see three there, so I don't know what happened to the rest of the beetroot. Oh well, it's a shame. This didn't do as well as what I thought. I planted in a row of peas, but the pigeons took the tops off. We put in two lines of beans, dwarf beans, but only one plant came up. But the beans off it have been rather nice. I picked some a couple of weeks back, and they were really nice. So yeah, there's a couple there. And I've got a row of spring onions in there as well. I don't know whether you can see that, but there's spring onions there. There's some swedes there. This needs a good weed. It's yeah, the lettuce and the mustard seed, the mustard, they all went to seed very quick. Been a poor year for lettuce for me. It's just too hot. It's just all going to seed quickly. Pulled out a couple of stonking big carrots. So and some beetroot. So maybe have them during the week. It's got a mixed colour of beetroot, so I've got some white ones and some red ones. First thing I noticed when I came here today was that this parsnip plant had died. Well, this leaf had died. I don't know what's happening now. The rest of the leaves look okay, but some of them look like they're dying for some reason, and I don't know what it is. So let me just swing this camera around. So we're going to have a cup of coffee, and then we're going to tackle the tomatoes, take as many as we can. Then if I've got time, we'll do a potato reveal. And I think that's it. It's a nice afternoon today actually. It's not too hot, or it's not too cold. The greenhouse is baking hot in there. When we opened the door on the greenhouse, actual steam was coming out, and to have steam coming out on a hot day is rather strange. But we'll take as many tomatoes as we can, and I'll show you what we gather at the end. So bear with us, and I'll be back shortly. Okay everyone, so we're going to have a look to see what sort of potatoes we've got. Got Delilah cutting off the tops for me at the minute, and we're going to have a look and see if there's any potatoes in here. A lot of leaf on the top of it, so we're hoping for something good. But we'll see what happens. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Wow, I can see some good ones already. Quite a few woodlice as well. I'll just get rid of them first. Let's split this open. Wow. This is more like it. This is what we're looking for. Is that in the shot? Oh, don't move the camera. I hope it's in the shot. So, this type is called Cara, and these are absolutely fabulous. There we go. We've got one that looks like a duck. I'm going to leave that one out. I may have a picture of that. Okay, let me have a look.
You need to be right there.
Oh no, we've still got the, we can still see them. Yeah. Okay. Do your job. We could have left this a little while and it would have got these as well. These little ones. Still. These will go in the... We won't put these little ones in the compost, otherwise we'll just have little potatoes growing everywhere. Not really a problem, I suppose, but I'd rather have them growing where I want them. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with this one.
Oh, seriously, if I get one like this, I'm going to be so happy.
Couple of little tiddlers. And as usual, in my rush to get here today, I've forgotten to bring my Christmas potatoes that I was going to plant in this pot. But we're doing well. This variety is Cara, C-A-R-A, and it's doing well this year. Last year my Cara potatoes got hit by blight and it was quite a disastrous harvest, but this year it's, well, certainly in this pot it's looking good. And there's one of the seed potatoes that can go in there. I'm just having a look to see if there's any I've missed, but I'm not seeing any, so oh, I spoke too soon. Okay, let me empty the bag and show you what we got from that one tub. I think there was 2 seed potatoes in that size of tub. Well, there you go, everyone. There's the potato haul. Some really nice potatoes there. Some odd shaped ones. That one's got 2 heads. But yeah, I'm very pleased with that. The potatoes, the carrots, we've got beetroots, we've got tomatoes. I know all these tomatoes are green, at the minute, but these will ripen. We've got some Brads Atomic Grape which are ripe and ready to eat. So all in all, quite a good day here up at the allotment. So yeah, brilliant. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, a little mini tour and a little harvest. The potatoes were fantastic, the tomatoes look great, all the green ones will be ripened off. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon sometime. Bye.